So we're Itomatic, we're basically a little unusual for a Silicon Valley company because the kind of problems we solve with is for industrial companies, industrial AI. And specifically, our expertise is really about agents. Alex talked about agents. So it's agents that we call them domains expert agents. So they actually have domain expertise specific to the industrial operations. And then they can actually solve problems and complex tasks no different than a human expert that is actually working in these, in the field. So we are really focused on problems like, how do I troubleshoot a piece of manufacturing equipment, something that's broken, or like how do I maximize the yield on a semiconductor fabrication plant where I have issues and it's not yielding what I think it should yield. There's so many process variables, so much chemistry and knowledge involved. That's what these domain expert agents do. They can actually help solve those problems. And we're very, very focused on a few very critical industries because we believe this is all about US competitiveness in leading the industrial edge and being in the competitive edge, particularly semiconductor. It's a very big industry, digital chips, they're all part of our lives. It's very strategic to the country and national interest. The other area is energy. We are obviously going through an energy transition in society. And the third area is manufacturing. So with the recent administration passing things like funding for reshoring factories, reshoring advanced manufacturing, one of the big things that our customers are finding, are that they have lost expertise. Those 30-year experts are retiring. So one of the things we do is we help capture that expert knowledge and actually encode them into these domain expert agents so they last and they are, there's longevity, there's continuity, and then they're able to continue their operations and then really bring about efficiency and really innovation, which is really the key of, hallmark of what we really want to let these industries do. So with that in mind, you will see an example of that use case in this demo of what I talked about. And I'm going to turn it over to my colleague, Shruti.
Thank you. Good evening. I'm Shruti, an AI engineer from Itomatic. And today, I'm really excited to present SemiKong, the first industry-focused open-source semiconductor foundation model. SemiKong has been made possible through a unique collaboration forged by the AI Alliance. SemiKong combines the domain expertise of Tokyo Electron, which is semiconductor manufacturing, with Itomatic's AI capabilities. And at the heart of SemiKong is Llama 3, the open source LLM that gives it its unique capabilities. Today, I'll demonstrate how SemiKong, when leveraged through advanced AI agents, can greatly accelerate the technical analyses and the complex decision-making processes that underpin semiconductor manufacturing. Imagine converting a 2-hour expert analysis into a 1-minute conversation with an AI. That is the power of SemiKong. As we learned from Mr. Nanda's introduction, the semiconductor industry currently heavily relies on leveraging the experiential knowledge of its experts. It is the ability to capture and scale this knowledge that is crucial to their future. And that is precisely where SemiKong and AI agents come into the picture. Allow me to demonstrate with a live example. By unleashing domain expertise at scale, it expedites industrial workflows and greatly enhances manufacturing productivity. Imagine for a moment that I'm not an AI engineer, but a semiconductor etching process engineer. I'm at work at a semiconductor etching plant. So today, my task is to etch a mask of silicon dioxide. And this is my workplace. This is the Oxford Plasma Lab 100. It's a massive, complex machine with a maze of dials and knobs, each of which require precise calibration. Even a slight miscalculation on my part can lead to slow or defective chips, costing my company millions of dollars in losses. And once I hit the start button, there is no going back until a full batch of wafers are baked. So typically, I would have to invest hours in technical analysis or wait to consult with an expert senior colleague before being able to conduct a successful experiment. But not today. Today, I have with me a silicon dioxide etching advisor. This is an AI agent running on top of Semicong. So let me input my specifications and ask it to recommend etching recipes for me and see what it comes up with. So this is a classic case of leveraging industrial AI to tackle real-world complex industrial problems. As we speak, this agent is sifting through vast amounts of domain-specific data and leveraging years' worth of experiential knowledge. It is analyzing numerous variables, computing trade-offs, and optimizing for quality and efficiency. As a human, what would take the competencies that would take years for me to attain are unlocked in a matter of seconds through Semicong's interface. Very soon, we will be able to view the results of Semicong. Yes, here it is. So here, it has outputted 2 specific recipes with a precise calibration of parameters in great detail. It has also provided an in-depth analysis of the pros and cons of each recipe. And the time that this saves me on a day-to-day basis is phenomenal. Semicong is my GPS for navigating the complex terrain of semiconductor manufacturing. It helps me achieve my goals faster, safer, and cheaper. Coming back to my role as an AI engineer, I'm incredibly excited by the possibilities at the intersection of AI and semiconductors. Semicong and AI agents do not replace human experts. It amplifies them. It turns every engineer into a seasoned veteran, unleashing industrial productivity on an unprecedented scale. I invite you to discuss more about semiconductor and industrial AI at our booth, at the Itamatic booth, and meet the other team members. Here's to a future where human expertise and AI collaborate to expand the possibilities in semiconductor manufacturing. Thank you.